Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody's having trouble making this pattern. I've made it a couple of times and I made it a little bit different. This is a straightforward one. But what's happening, I think, he can't get the angle of the diamond shape. I make my diamond shapes with a polygon tool and 4 sides. And then you can make it as thick or thin as you want. Then what you want to do is we got to place it at a good angle or a right angle. So we're going to take I put P, put it in the center page. I'm going to hit P, put that in the center page. And to get this angle, click on your new triangle or your diamond, double click and move the rotation of the bottom. And then grab this node right here and it'll snap to that line. Now you're at a right angle. So now you can Control D, moving this node to this node. And then once you Control D as many times as you want, let's make it a little bit smaller. Now let's Control D. While holding down the control button, we can do that right there. Control D, while holding down the control button, we can do, well, didn't do a very good job there. Control D, and then while holding down the control button, grab that 2-sided arrow, and you get that pattern. Let's make this a little bit smaller. And then, what you can do is fill that in with blue, and at this time you can take away the line or leave the line. We're going to Control D and make a duplicate. Try grabbing that very top node and have it snap to that node, and then you could change it to light blue. Control D, change it to green. Control D, change it to red. Control D, change it to yellow. Control D, or whatever colors you want. And you could just keep going till the cows come home. But that's how you do that pattern, and that's pretty easy. And then you could make the outlines black or take them away, depending on what you want to do. The other pattern is pretty much the same. Let's just delete this. This pattern is just almost easier because you're just going to mimic it and duplicate it. Control D, while holding down the control button, move that over there and then Control D. Well, we don't have to do that. We could do this. Control D, while holding down the control button, get that 2-sided arrow, and then you could see it moved it twice because I was moving it twice. But you could just keep doing this and just keep grabbing them, Control D, and make as many or as few as you want. And then you could Control D, and I'd group them together with Control G and then Control D, and then move that right to that node, make it blue, Control D, make it green, Control D, make it yellow, Control D, make it red, Control D, and make it purple. Then once again, you can add outlines or not, depending on what you want it to look like. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.